In this brief TedEd lesson, you are going to be hearing a definition for what a blended course is. The definition that you're going to be hearing is from Dr. Katie Linder, who recently released a book called The Blended Course Design Workbook, a Practical Guide. Let's take a listen.
I'm Dr. Katie Linder, and you're listening to an audio extra for my new book, The Blended Course Design Workbook, a Practical Guide, available now from Stylus. To learn more about the book and access additional bonus resources, visit the book's website at bcdworkbook.com. In this audio extra, I'll be talking about one of the most common questions I get, which is how do I define blended learning? So a lot of people think that blended learning might just be a combination of face-to-face and technology in a classroom and doing some things face-to-face and some things online. But the definition of blended that I use in the book actually incorporates one additional component, and that is that there is a removal of face-to-face time and a replacement of that face-to-face time with online activities. And that means that a course that was originally taught twice a week in a blended modality may now be only taught once a week, and students will see each other in the face-to-face environment less and interact with the faculty member in the face-to-face environment less also. Another common question I get is, what is the difference between blended and flipped classrooms? And a lot of people will conflate the two, and they're actually pretty different. So if a blended environment is that replacement model where you take some time away and you replace it with an online environment, that's really about the structure of the classroom. The flipped model is more about the pedagogical choices. And so in a flipped classroom, what you might do is take some of the content delivery, or things like lecture, and move them into the online environment to create more space in the face-to-face classroom and more time to do more active learning. So you might have a blended classroom that is also flipped, where you've made the pedagogical choice to use the face-to-face time for more active learning. But I've also seen blended classrooms that are not flipped. And you can also do a flipped classroom without taking away any of the face-to-face time, and in that case, it wouldn't be blended. So hopefully this clarifies a little bit about the definition of blended and also the distinction between the blended modality